Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add new address on an Amazon app. It's pretty simple. After you open Amazon, click on the person looking icon at the bottom of your screen. From over here, you can see the option called your account. Click on it. From inside your account, you want to choose your address. Once you see your address, click on it. From your address, since we want to add a new address, at the top we want to click on add a new address. Once we click on it, over here we need to choose the country. After you choose the country, basically enter all of your address. So first enter your first name, and over here enter the street address you live in. After you enter your street address, enter your building's number. Enter the city and then enter the state or province. Then enter the zip code of your city and enter your phone number over here and click on add address. And if all the information over here is correct, basically your address will be added on Amazon. So I hope you understand how you guys can add address on Amazon. It's that simple. As you guys can see, it has been added. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.